Good morning, guys. I am just starting my day kind of late, but it's Sunday, and usually Sunday is like my relaxing day. I try not to do too much on Sundays. I am starting my day with some leftover pasta. Oh my god, it smells so good. Yeah, I just reheated this in the microwave. We went out to dinner last night, so this is my leftovers. It is a linguine with clams and I think there's other seafood in here, and like a white cream sauce. So good. And then after I eat, I think I'm gonna go, I don't really know, but I want to leave the house because it's sunny out. It's not warm. It's still, I think it's like 40 degrees out, but it's nice to drive around in the sun and when it's not snowing or anything. So I might go to like Target or Nordstrom Rack or I don't know, somewhere. But I'm gonna try and turn this day around because yesterday was a really bad day for me. I don't want to get into it, but it was just a horrible day, and then this morning it kind of was just an extension of that. So I'm just gonna try and do things that are a little more fun. I'm not gonna sit at home all day and just dwell on it, so I'm going to try and just turn this day around, change my mood, and drive around because I have not driven in a long time. I never drive since I work from home now, so yeah, it's gonna be fun just to get out of the house. I might do some grocery shopping, but I really am not in the mood, so I might not do that part. All right, I'm gonna eat my food. So I actually have a really bad habit of making rice or like, I guess any kind of food that's in a pot like this. And then what I do is instead of taking the leftovers and putting them in containers or bowls, I'll just keep it in here and just like keep the lid in the fridge. But the really annoying thing about that is I use this thing like every day, so I can't have food in here and just keep it in the fridge. And also when I do this, it takes up way more room than it needs to. So one of the things that I'm trying to do to help me stop doing that is I am just putting, for example, I make rice all the time, so I am now going to try and put it into bowls. Also, when you do it this way, I feel like you know what's in your fridge more than if it's just in a pot like that. But Public Goods, who I have talked about in another vlog, sent me these beeswax wraps, and I've always been very interested in these because I really don't like using plastic wrap. It's super wasteful and just, I don't know, it's also just really annoying to take off, and I've cut my finger on the plastic wrap like knife, the plastic wrap cutter thing like all the time, and it gets under my nail and it's just horrible. So they sent me this, and it comes in 3, so there's a small, medium, and large. Let me just show you. So this one is the small size, this one is the medium, and here is the large. So this is a really big one. I think for this bowl I only need the small. So yeah, basically these, if you haven't heard of beeswax wraps, they are the reusable alternative to plastic wrap or even like aluminum foil sometimes. And you can use it in any way that you use plastic wrap. I don't think you can microwave these, but I don't think you're supposed to microwave plastic wrap either. But I'm just gonna use this to cover my bowl here. And so as you can see, that was very easy. And you can just hand wash these. With this order, they also sent me these bags. Like it came in a pack of 2, And these are for when you go grocery shopping and you put produce. They're just drawstring. So I'm excited to use these. I'm gonna put them in with my reusable shopping bags so that I don't forget, and I can just keep them in my car. So that's cool. I do have a discount code down below, so if you do want to try them out, please use that and you'll save some money. And yeah, I think I put makeup on this morning because sometimes when I put makeup on, it just makes me feel better, even if I'm not doing anything or seeing anyone. I'm sure a lot of you can relate to that though. So now I'm gonna just put on some other clothes because this is a little just loungy. And yeah, I'm gonna go drive around. I'm trying to think if I need anything. I don't really think I do. I kind of, actually, you know what? I kind of want to get a new plant or a couple plants because I only have my big spider plant and my fiddly fig, which is actually doing really well right now. It's growing quite a bit, but I want some like smaller plants too to put in the bedrooms or just around. So I think that is the move. So I might go to Lowe's, since that's near Nordstrom. I'll check out Nordstrom, and I might hit up Target too. I don't know. Sometimes I just get in the mood to go shopping, even though most of the time I don't even buy anything. It's fun to just leave the house sometimes. I might even stop at Starbucks and get like a drink there because I have some gift cards that I got for Christmas, but I have not used them because I just don't go to Starbucks ever. But since I'm gonna be out and about, I thought maybe that would be fun. It's pretty good. I used to drink these all the time when I worked at Starbucks. If you didn't know that, I don't think I've ever mentioned it, but I worked at 2 different Starbucks in college. And that would be the only time I ever order from there is because it's free. So I haven't been there and I haven't been to a Starbucks in like forever now, but that was nice. So now I think I'm gonna go to Nordstrom Rack. I never end up buying anything there. I just go there to look. So I think I'm just gonna do that. And then Lowe's is like right across from there, so I can look at some plants. And yeah, that sounds like a plan to me. So I'm off. Okay, I just got home and I changed into my comfy clothes, and then yeah, so I went to Lowe's after I went to Nordstrom Rack, and at Nordstrom I didn't buy anything, but here's what I got at Lowe's. I got this bucket because they're very useful and I want it to fill with water for when I'm grouting my tiles. So with that, I got this grout sealer, and I got this, what is this called? A grout scrubber, basically for like, it's like a Brillo pad almost for cleaning like the grout haze around the tiles. And lastly, a grout saw. So I can clear out like the mortar that's still in between some of the tile. And altogether this was $18.07. Not too bad. So this is what I'm working with here. I posted an Instagram photo the other day of my shower since it is fully tiled now, except for like that one little spot. But the rest of the bathroom is like 90% done. See, like I still have these edge pieces I have to do, and then this whole little wall thing. But we're getting pretty close. And I just started grouting. I actually used the same stuff that I used on the floors. So this is what it looks like. I think it looks okay. Like, it's not black, but it's like a nice dark gray, so you can still see like the contrast. So I think I'm just gonna keep going with this color. But yeah, I got this saw because in between some of these you can see like there's stuff in there and it's very hard to get out. So like here's another spot. And then this, I don't know if you're supposed to wet it first, but it like kind of clears out the haze. So like this is all grout haze. Let me just wet it first, I think. Okay. This is not really doing anything. Well, actually, no, it is, but just very slowly. Okay, no, actually, it is working. So that's good. Because the alternative to this is just using like a wet rag, and that takes forever, and it's just a terrible way to do it. So yeah, I tested the grout here in this area, so I'm gonna just do the rest. I really like how the tile looks without grout, actually. Like, because it makes the lines look really thin. But you can't really leave it like this, so. I mean, I usually don't like doing, like, work on the house on the weekends because I just need, like, a day to relax. But honestly, I'm kind of in the mood to do something now, so I'm just gonna work on this. And I will probably check in with you later. Okay, I am editing this video right now and I realized that I did not close it out in any way. So I just wanted to take a second to thank you for watching the video. I'm realizing that there were weird cuts all over the place and I was trying to make it go smoothly, but I'm still working on learning how to vlog in a better way. So I apologize for that. Yeah, I also didn't really show you guys while I was shopping or anything, but it's very hard for me to bring a camera around in the store. First of all, because it's kind of embarrassing, and also because it's hard for me to focus on two things like that, so that is why. But thank you so much again. If you did make it all the way through this video, I do really appreciate it, and I appreciate all of your support. So I will see you next week in my next one. Bye.